vote is 23 and total A will be 14. And the winner is D, of course. Okay. Next, what else do I have? Board account method. This one, board account method, every rank matters. Ano ibig sabihin ng every rank matters? Sa bawat rank, gagamitin na natin. Magbibigay tayo ng weight sa bawat rank. Okay? Okay, so ganito ang mangyayari. Kapag first, meron kang apat na candidate. The first rank gets 4 points. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ganun ang mangyayari. Bibilangin mo kung ilan yung kandidato, bibilangin mo rin kung anong color yung kandidato mo. Do you follow? And this was discovered by John Charles de Borda. Okay, ito. Pag-apat ang kandidato mo, the weights are 4, 3, 2, 1. Pag lima yung kandidato mo, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these are called the weights, 4, 3, 2, 1. Multiply the weight by the number of votes. 4 times 6, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 1 times 3 is 2. And 4 times 6 is 6. Follow? Ganun din dito. How did you get 24, 18, 12, and 6? You have multiplied what? 4. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times, ano tawag? 4 times 6, 3 times 6, 18. 2 times 6, 12. And 1 times 6 is 12. 6. Follow? Now, try to add all the votes of A, B, and C, and D. Hanapin nyo yun. That's what you call the border score. A24, A2, A3. Add all, you get 29. What about B? B18, B8, B6. Add all, 32. What about C? 12, 6, and 12, 30. And what about D? 6, 4, and 9. And that is equal to 13 plus 2, guys. Plus 2. 13 plus 6. Okay? Naintindihan? Kung sino meron pinakamataas na board the score, ang tawag doon ay board the winner. Ganun din dito. Lagyan mo ng weights, apat ang kandidato mo, edi 4, 3, 2, 1. And multiply the rank by the weights of the rank by the number of votes. Kaya dito, every cell matters. And these are the following answers. Add all and check the highest border score. Well, for the meantime, B has a border score of 106. So, siya yung panalo ulit. Border score is the total points received from each candidate from all the scores from all voters are added. The winner is the candidate with the highest border score. Okay. And then we have sequential pairwise. May system, may sequential. Halimbawa, meron kang sequence na A, B, C, D. Yung A will fight B. Winner will fight C. Winner will fight D. Okay? In that particular order, A, B, C, D. B, D, C, A. Paano naman yung B, D, C, A? Ganun din. B fights D, D fights C, and C fights A. You can also fight anyone. Kahit sino pwede. Pero depende. Pero the thing is, a different agenda will not produce the same winner. Follow? Okay, so, tingnan nga natin ito. So, when we do this, so, para siyang board, ang tawag doon? Para siyang, what's that again? Tungong Dorsey. So, B fights A. B fights A. So, A, B. Where does A go? Where does 14 goes? Okay, A 14. Okay, A, B. So, B at C, A. Where does 10 go? Okay, B. B gets 10. Where does 8 go? 8 goes to B. Where does 4 go? 4 goes to A. 4 goes to B, to A. And where does 1 go? B goes, B goes, 1 goes to B. Kung sino rank ang mas mataas. So, B is the winner. Ida-drop na natin si A. Pag din-drop natin si A, nasa may eraser. Hindi ko makita. Okay. Drop na natin si A. Di ba panalo si B versus C naman? So, B versus C. B versus C. So, una ulit, check nyo ulit kung sino yung panalo sa B versus C. So, aalisin nyo yan, tapos papalitan nyo naman ngayon ng B versus C. Titingnan nyo lang si BC. Tingnan 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 nyo lang si B and C. So, if B's rank is higher than C, B gets 14. Sinong rank yung mas mataas? Kay C, pangalawa, C gets 10. Sa pangatlo, C gets 8. C gets 8. Sa pang-apat, B gets 4. And sa huli, C gets 1. Obviously, C wins. Panalo na si C ngayon. Tapos ang si C ngayon, kakalabanan niya naman si D. In that sequence. So, number 1, mataas si D, 14 yung D. Number 2, si C ang mas mataas, 10. Number 3, D has a higher chance, 8. And then si B, mas mataas si D, you get 4. And one last, C, mas mataas si C, you get 1. And that's 15 and 18, panalo si D. So D wins in the agenda A, B, C, D. So if you can produce different winners with different agenda, it does not mean talaga na kung sino yung winner ay kung sino yung ano dapat it does not mean that if you have a winner A, B, C, D as B, si B nga ba ay D, siya ulit ang mananalo. Hindi ganun. Maaaring iba naman ang manalo. So, in a different agenda, different winner. So, in the agenda BDCA, ang panalo naman dito ay si C. Magkakaibang agenda, magkakaibang winner. And last but not the least is approval voting. What's approval voting? You can choose for 1, you could choose 2, you could choose 3, or you could choose all when you try to vote. Pwedeng isa lang ang mapili mo, dalawa, tatlo. Ginagawa to kapag halimbawa, what's your most favorite food? 'Di ba? Anong pinakamasarap sa mga putahe na 'yan? Ayun. Yun ang ginagawa dyan. And there is a theorem called Arrow's Impossibility Theorem. Ang sinabi ng Arrow's Impossibility Theorem ay there is no voting method that is fair to all until you have 3 or more candidates and 2 or more votes. Hindi naman pwedeng dalawa lang ang candidate Walang problema doon Pero yung voters sa dalawa lang, hindi naman pwede, di ba? Siguradong merong mas marami sa dalawang botante. Kaya, you cannot expect that there is a fair voting system. Okay? Mhm. And we'll have the next one. On Wednesday, you have a surprise quiz on Wednesday, guys. Sinabi ko na ang surprise quiz and you have a quiz here. I-upload ko na. Print Pwede pag sinabing print, hindi yung ilalagay sa yellow paper. Pwede ba? I'll see you on Wednesday and do not forget your face mask on Wednesday. Get that? Sino yung mga latecomers? I'm sorry, pero you are late. Sobrang na late. Ang tagal-tagal ko na nag-check ng attendance. Kaya late na kayo. Sino yung dumating ng late? Can you please use your microphone?
Miss Alboro po, Miss.
Alburo, late. Late ka na talaga. Sino pa yung isa? Wala na ah. Sige. Okay, that's all for today. Sino yung nag-text? Bigaw, bakit? Wala ka bang microphone? Sakit na naman natin ng microphone, Bigay. Bigaw. Lagi na lang tayo may sakit. Okay, I'll see you then. You may go Wednesday. Depende, meron daw na naman strike. Ano ba yan, di ba? Okay, bye. But whatever happens, we're gonna go online or on.